Hello everyone. Well, we made this video to show you how the Wegovy pen works and what it looks like. A patient kindly lent it to us so we could show it to you. Well, this is the Wegovy pen. As you can see, it is quite similar to an insulin pen or a Saxenda pen. You can see it has a cap. And here is where the medication goes and the plunger rises. Inside each box, there will be one pen and different dose options. Specifically, up to 2.4. We have 0.25, 0.5, 1, 1.7, and 2.4. So, the usual process is this. You inject one dose per week. And you can see the pen starts at 0. And at the end, it shows the final dose. In this case, 2.4. Usually, you reach the final dose. Attach the needle, which we screw on. It comes with another cap. We remove the cap. And what we do is inject at a 45-degree angle. Once we have it at 45 degrees, we would press it. Obviously, I will not press it now, so we do not waste medication. You need to watch that 2.4 returns to 0. There comes a moment when you cannot press anymore. Once it reaches 0, hold for 10 seconds. So no medication remains inside the needle. Then we remove it. Replace the cap and dispose of the needle. As I mentioned, usually, this medication does not require refrigeration. But for convenience, we keep it in the fridge. So, if there are temperature changes, there will be no problems. Where should we inject it? Usually, we use the abdomen. Pinch the skin. A small pinch, so it stays subcutaneous. It can also go in the thigh or in the back area. More questions? Sometimes your endocrinologist may adjust the dose to improve tolerance. They may mention clicks. It is not the usual way, but sometimes it helps to increase gradually without changing pens. What are clicks? Exactly what they sound like. For example, you may be told to inject 10 clicks to start. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, attach the needle and inject. Or inject the full pen. Full dose. But subtract 10 clicks before the end. You see the end marker. Then count back 10 clicks. And inject there. That gives intermediate doses. Because, unlike Saxenda, 0.6, 1.2, etc. Here you only see 0. And, at the end, you see the final dose. In this case, 2.4, depending on the pen prescribed. The final number matches the actual dose. Another important point. When starting a new pen, prime it first. After attaching the needle, simply select 2 clicks and press. Check it works properly. As for needles, change them each time. This reduces infection risk. Those are the key points for this medication. It is simple. Usually no local reactions. Keep the skin clean and disinfected before injecting. That is the pen. The FlexTouch Also used for insulin. A reliable device. This is basically how to use Wegovy. As you use it, the plunger rises at full doses. One pen lasts about a month. The liquid level gradually drops. Change the pen when the plunger reaches the top. Another sign it is empty is when you try to dial it and nothing remains. The wheel stops. That is when you need a new pen.